If you're experiencing login issues with KeyPoint Credit Union, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SafeRep to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Reset your password. If you still can't log in, consider resetting your password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to KeyPoint Credit Union's customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or provide additional solutions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.